Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. Today I have come up with the great workshop for you all, and this workshop is on Android development, ethical hacking and cyber security, and WordPress web development. So this is a 2 days workshop. Each workshop will be 2 days and start from the August. You can see the date. Let me show you. So these all will start from August 12 and end by August 17. And also let me tell you, you will get certificate like this when you complete the workshop. And this workshop is completely free. I will show you all the steps, and all those already I have mentioned. These all are the 3 workshops. So ethical hacking and cyber security. You can see the date of the workshop. This is the second workshop, Android application development, and the third is WordPress website development. Okay, and the certificate model I show you. And what is the registration fee? You can go and check the frequent asked questions. So there is completely free. If someone is asked for any payment, then please don't do payment. How to attend workshop? So you can see, you will get registration link on WhatsApp. So later they will inform. And to attend this workshop, you must have to laptop or a smartphone. Even using your phone, you can attend this workshop. And Zoom Cloud meeting app also installed in your either phone or laptop. And here, can I attend workshop without registration? No. Even you enter by getting link from your friends and colleagues, but they will remove you from the meeting. And the duration of workshop will be, each workshop will be 2 days, and the timing you can go through. And if you have any doubt, you can ask, you can go and check this, and you will get certificate within 24 hours of the completion of workshop. Like the first workshop from July 13 to 14. So by 15, you will get that certificate. And they are providing 3 types of certificate. One is participation, if you just attend the workshop. The second is certificate of appreciation with a score attended by the attempt and the final test after completion of the workshop. So during workshop they will give some task you have to do, and even they will give at the last of task you will also get those score. And also certificate of merit for those who scored more than or equal to 90% in final test after completion of workshop. So this merit certificate they are going to issue on the basis of you will secure the score in the final task what they will give after completion of the workshop, and they will give some time to complete that task. So I don't know exactly how much time they are going to give. So how you will be host of the workshop, who will be the host of workshop? So you can see here that the director of a company satisfied with ethical hacker working. So you can see, check out who are the person going to host this workshop. So very reputed person and experienced person is going to host this. Even CEO, founder and CEO of Avitex, they are going to give this, hosting this workshop. So this is a great chance to secure the workshop certificate in free of cost, and even some tasks may be considered as your mini project if you complete it. And what are other resources you get? So all participants will be given access to premium tutorial video, notes, ebook, project file, and practice upon completion of workshop. So if you see practice. Okay, so you can see a premium tutorial video also you are going to get, right? And what other support you will get? It is great chance to build professional contacts, join workshop to get chance to share your thought with industrial expert, professional and developer to get assistance for your career. So you can see that this is great chance you are getting. So don't miss this. I will provide this all link in video description. You will just go and click on that and register for the workshop. So I will register all these 3 workshop and show you. Okay. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also join Telegram group of Deep Codec Guru for this type of informational and educational videos. So this is for ethical hacking workshop and this is cyber security. So this is ethical hacking and cyber security. This is I think the first workshop. Yes, the first beginning workshop. So you have to register, okay? You can see what are the things you will get. You can go and check all those details over there. I don't want to tell all those details and consume your long time. Okay, after clicking that, you have to fill the form. So I will also fill. Okay. Okay, last name you have to give. Okay, sorry, first name and last name. Okay, first name and middle. Okay, middle name and last name I will put here. Email. Uh, 2057@gmail.com. Well, phone number. Okay, 9117948968. WhatsApp number. Okay, 911794. Even it is optional, you can skip. So all further information will be communicated through your registered mail. However, we recommend you so WhatsApp for real-time communication in short. If you want to frequent reply, you can give your WhatsApp number. So you will also get chance to connect with WhatsApp. College name. So my college name is. Okay. So you type your college name and your year also select. So this is from first year through all those third year, first, second, third year, every, and even faculty can enroll. Okay, so you do share all your juniors also, they will get chance, and all those branches can enroll this. And referral code is you type this code. Okay, and you have to submit. So now let me open other also. So I am showing you how you can register easily for all. So opening next registration form. So this is easy trick I am following. Okay, and now for this also I am going to click register here. Okay. Okay, let me check it out. Okay, so this is ethical hacking. Okay, right, and ethical hacking. Okay, let me submit it first for ethical hacking. Okay, so this is done, and even you can join Telegram WhatsApp group from here. Okay, well, so now let me go for the next registration. Same way you have to fill and register. Okay, so web development, and one course I am missing, ethical hacking, web development and Android. Well, so you will get all those links in video description I will provide, and you have to same way fill the form, and that is done. So don't forget to get this opportunity and secure the workshop certificate in free in the all latest technology, and also do share this video with your friends and colleagues, junior, senior, even faculty. They can attend this workshop and take the advantage. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I hope you have subscribed my channel and joined Telegram group of Deep Codec. So please stay at home, stay safe, and join the workshop on August 13th. So have a good learning.